Welcome. Tonight I will read you a gentle Christmas story for beginner English learners. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and enjoy the quiet winter night. On a quiet winter night, a small star named Lumi hung in the sky. Christmas was coming, and all the stars felt excited. They wanted to shine bright for the world below. But Lumi had a problem. No matter how hard she tried, she could not shine. "I am too small," Lumi whispered. "I can't help anyone." On Christmas night, the moon heard her soft voice. "Little Lumi," the moon said kindly, "every light matters. Even a small light can guide someone." Lumi tried again. She took a slow, deep breath. She focused her tiny light, but it was still very faint. Down on the snowy earth, a little girl named Mia was walking with her father. They were going to visit Grandma, but the path was dark, and the wind was cold. "I can't see the road," Mia said. Her father held her hand. "We'll find the way," he whispered. At that moment, Lumi looked down and saw them. She felt something warm inside her small heart. "I want to help," she said. So Lumi tried one more time, not for herself, but for Mia. Slowly, very slowly, Lumi's light grew brighter. It was small, but it was clear. Mia looked up. "Papa, look! A little star is shining for us." Her father smiled. "That small star is enough. We can follow it." Lumi lit the sky, just long enough to guide them to Grandma's warm house. When they arrived, Mia looked up and whispered, "Thank you, little star." Lumi glowed softly with joy. She finally understood even a tiny light can make a big difference. On Christmas night, and from that day on, Lumi shined with confidence. Not the brightest, not the biggest, but with the warmest heart in the winter sky. Good night, sleep well, and may your small light shine gently tonight.